Hi friends, today's video is all about prepping mature skin so that your makeup looks flawless. This is the first video in a 6-part beginner makeup series for mature skin. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 4 simple steps for flawless application on mature skin. You need to do this on a regular basis because as we age, our cell turnover slows down and our skin just needs a little bit of help to get rid of the dead skin cells and look like it did when we were younger. And your makeup is going to sit better on your face and just look really nice and natural looking. At Cathy Over 50, I share easy everyday makeup and style videos for the woman over 50, and I would love it if you subscribed. So the first step in skin prep for flawless looking makeup is you have to get rid of the peach fuzz. It seems as we age, we get more peach fuzz. The peach fuzz acts as a barrier, so therefore we want to get rid of it so that not only our makeup will look great, but our skincare is going to absorb more easy into the skin. 2 ways that I use to shave my face and get rid of the peach fuzz. I have used the Tinkle razors in the past and they are great. The only issue that I have with them is sometimes there's a jagged piece of plastic and it will scratch my face. You certainly don't want to damage your skin doing any of these steps. My preference is to use the Dermaflash, and it is kind of like doing a dermaplaning procedure at home. And I like this because not only does it get rid of the peach fuzz, but it really gets rid of the dead layer of skin cells that are laying on top of my skin. And after using that, my skincare really absorbs nicely into my skin, and then my makeup looks pretty flawless. Now, you should do this on a regular basis, and I would say once a month or every 6 weeks would be good, but you really have to just develop a system that works good for you. The second step in our skin prep for flawless looking makeup is exfoliating the face. You want to get rid of the dead skin cells because we have nice new healthy glowing skin cells underneath that dead layer that want to come out and show off our youthful looking skin. As we age, the natural cell cycle slows down and sometimes our skin just needs a little bit of help. And if there's too many dead skin cells sitting on that first layer of skin, our complexion looks dull. So it's very easy to use an acid, an AHA, which has exfoliating power to help get rid of that layer. They can be found in toners and serums. When the acids exfoliate, the dead skin cells are broken down. Then the new layer of healthy glowing skin cells shines and therefore creates that youthful look. Your skin will look brighter and more radiant. So a glycolic acid is going to help to break down the skin cells, and citric acid helps to brighten them, and they can be found in different toners and lotions. It's really important to listen to your skin. You don't want to over exfoliate your skin because that is going to really dry out your skin and can cause a lot of problems. So it's really important just to do something that works for you. The third step in skin prep for mature skin for flawless looking makeup is you have to apply sunscreen. There's no point in doing all the skincare using Retin-A if we're not going to protect our skin from further sun damage. Now there's 2 different types of sunscreens. There's chemical and then there's mineral. If you're using a chemical sunscreen, it needs to be applied first. That's because a chemical sunscreen needs to penetrate the skin in order to provide protection. However, if you're using a physical, or commonly known as a mineral sunscreen, that sunscreen should be applied after the moisturizer. I have 2 sunscreens that I use on a daily basis. The first one does 2 steps in one. It's by EltaMD and it's their light daily moisturizing lotion with sunscreen. The reason why I like the EltaMD sunscreen because it's doing 2 steps in one. It's giving me sun protection, but it's also moisturizing my skin. So this particular sunscreen helps to calm and protect sensitive skin prone to discoloration and breakouts associated with acne and rosacea. I do have rosacea. It contains niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, hyaluronic acid, and lactic acid. These ingredients promote the appearance of very healthy looking skin. It's very lightweight and silky. I don't like feeling like I have something on top of my skin, and it can be worn alone or with makeup. And like I said, I wear it every day. I'm wearing it now. and it really works well with makeup. The other sunscreen that I enjoy is by Tizo 3, and it's a mineral sunscreen suitable for all skin types and tones. It's sheer and virtually invisible even on the darkest skin tones. It smoothes onto the skin, leaving a soft, elegant finish. I really like this sunscreen because it gives me that no makeup look. It just kind of blurs out my skin and it looks great. So the fourth skin prep suggestion for flawless looking makeup is you have to moisturize your skin. It's so important to moisturize our skin as we age. You want to look for a moisturizer that has hyaluronic acid in it because hyaluronic acid plumps up the skin and it really hydrates it. The moisturizers that I use, well, first of all, in the morning I use this faithfully every day, and the reason why is because I'm very lazy at putting on a separate sunscreen. So I'm glad that I found this product because it does 2 steps in one. A drugstore moisturizer, and I use this one in the evening. It's a CeraVe PM moisturizing lotion. It has ceramides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, which is great. And it is not as thick as the Elta MD. It goes on, it's really nice and sheer. And then my holy grail moisturizer of all time, the Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I love this stuff. I wear it the nights that I use my Retin-A. It's a little thicker, but that's why I like it, and I use this in the winter time. It really does a great job of hydrating the skin, and it doesn't leave my skin feeling greasy or oily, because I don't like that. Because as somebody that has oily skin, I don't like feeling like I have stuff on my face. So to recap the 4 easy steps that you can do to prep your mature skin for flawless looking makeup. Number 1, you want to remove the peach fuzz. Number 2, you want to exfoliate your face. You want to apply your SPF, and you want to moisturize your skin. Be sure to check out this playlist where I show you how to do certain makeup techniques, and also please subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.